Welcome back to this session 3 of our topic career counseling or life counseling, what is right. In last two topics we did discuss on uh, whether career is counseling is right or life counseling. Multiple career options are essential. We have also discussed on second topic which was based on multiple intelligence factors and multi-skilling. We have taken certain examples of how a skill can develop if we keep on adding talent or one amount of intelligence to it. Having said that, we keep on learning throughout our life, isn't it? How do we learn, and when do we start learning actually? If we have to understand that, probably we know the story of Abhimanyu who learned in the mother's womb, about the Chakravyuha, how it can be broken. Unfortunately, he learned only half because mother went asleep. And what are we trying to understand by this is our learning starts right in the mother's womb. But then how do we learn? We have today's topic, that is VAKOG, which can further be redefined now as VAKGOD, VAC God. Okay, what is this learning style? Let us understand. V here stands for visual. We learn by seeing. We learn by seeing all our five senses. That is V for visual, A for auditory. We learn by listening or hearing. We learn kinesthetic, that is we learn by actions and also by understanding the feelings. We understand feelings out of it. We learn the other three senses are O stands for olfactory, that is by smell, and gustatory, that is by taste. So these are our five senses. D stands for digital, which is more to say audio digital in NLP sense. That's one of the terminologies in NLP. But having said that, when we say we have five senses and we use this technique of VAKOG, when we use visual learning style, we learn what is outside us by seeing, but when we visualize, we internalize that particular what we saw or what we can imagine. So we learn by looking outside us and also by looking inside us. The difference could be V stands for visual learning. So seeing, we learn by seeing, and we also learn by visualizing those things which are not in front of us. So that is learning within. When we talk of auditory learning, we talk of hearing. We hear and we learn. And when we internalize the same hearing, we listen to it. When we do, third is kinesthetic, we do some actions, we understand by internalizing it as feelings. Gustatory, when we taste it and we relish it, we simply, so the taste and smell, these are the two which are very specific, and mostly that is applicable maybe to people who take up career as chef, or for all mothers, that is very, very important, or those who are typical, love food loving people. But having said that, let us understand this particular VAKOG or VAKGOD technique a little more. Let us assume that 6 friends are going for a picnic on a hill station, and maybe wherever. I stay at Pune, so it could be Lonavala or Mahabaleshwar, wherever they go for. How do you feel that these people will describe that particular place? Let's assume visual learner will talk about that place. Oh wow, what a scenic place it is, isn't it? The person who is auditory learner would probably describe it. Oh, I'm listening the sound of nature. I'm hearing the sound of all the flora and fauna, the birds around, the water is flowing. I'm hearing those sounds and I'm listening to the nature music of nature. When we talk of kinesthetic learner, he will say that okay, what a beautiful picture or earth God has created for all of us to live for, and look at what man has done to it. He will feel happy on one side, will talk of something which is sad on the other side. The feeling of the gustatory learner will say that यहाँ पर मुझे कोई एक बढ़िया पकोड़ा चाय मिल जाती तो क्या मजा आता, something like that. The one who is using olfactory senses to learn, he will talk of, oh, I'm smelling such a beautiful thing from this nature. I would like to, restore those particular senses or the smell for very long time till I come back again here. Whereas a digital learner who believes more into the facts and figures, today's generation more so, or today's life we are talking of, more of logic, will talk, you possibly go Facebook live and tell people, please join me, I'm sharing with you this beautiful nature and I'm going to share with you some interesting facts out of this, what I am observing. While we say that, it is not that an individual has only one learning style. It's a mix of all of these. But a few people have certain traits predominantly into them. We often come across parents fighting within themselves. ये मेरी बात सुनता ही नहीं है, and the father says, okay, let me explain to him, and the child listens. Or vice versa. We also come across in organizations the boss and super boss discussing, okay, let me make an attempt to explain this particular subordinate, whoever it is, and then the subordinate listens. The boss says, tells super boss that okay, you are a super boss, so he's listening to you, but possibly the case could be different. Say for example, the visual learner is said, listen to me, can you hear that? And he is ignoring you. The moment he said, okay, let us see what is there, it something sounds very, very good to me, it looks so good to me, and he reflects back to you. Somebody who is a kinesthetic learner and you touch upon certain important aspect about feelings or actions to that particular person, that child or a person will respond to you much better. Now you understand how the difference of these learning styles can impact to our learnings and interaction which we carry on day-to-day basis. If we apply these learning styles, are we referring to only career or life? I leave the question to you. How do we assess who is what learner? Again, there is a science involved into it and requires a good amount of counseling, I would say that. I think good listen to for us to understand today that VAKGOD, that's a good abbreviation, okay, a short form, VAKGOD, in literal sense, or if you go back into history, Indriya, if we can keep these senses into right place and apply them rightly, we can have great amount of interaction and possibly carry on certain jobs much earlier than that what time it is taking today. It's amount of practice. If you wish to connect to me, I have given you the number 7720093355. You can talk to me. Let me see how can I help you more. I'm sure you are carrying home some message today. Wish you all the best wishes to you. Good night. Thank you for connecting.